Welcome to Simple Inventory Manager. I will show you today how to make an inventory using a USB barcode reader, using a batch barcode reader that enables you to walk around into the warehouse and scan different things. For this demo, I will simply use a sheet with the barcode printed.
Vas-y, tu peux y aller.
To track the inventory with the USB cable barcode, you need to move from the inventory tab where you have the current values to the inventory check. You need to press the new button to update the list of articles. And then you can see that you have in these quantity columns all the current values, and here the real values are minus because nothing has been checked. You now have to go around selecting the barcode window. You have to go around and scan whatever you see. And you see it's added to the list. The trouble with this kind of barcode is that you need to scan many times. If you have 10 pieces, you have to scan 10 times. When you have finished the scanning, you select OK, and you will see that you have real values on some products and you have a difference which appears here. To validate this difference and to correct your inventory, you just have to make save, and these values will be moved to the main inventory tab, and you can check that this product 24 has now the correct quantity. You can also make the inventory directly on the PC with a keyboard. You go to the inventory check tab, you clear it to make sure that you have no value check. Here is the theoretical quantity you have into the main inventory tab. Here is the list of. To change a value, I just have to click on the line. It opens this window where I can change the quantity. Let's say I have 2 of them. I move to the next location. Let's say I have 3. Let's say this one is okay. I go to the next one, 5. When I have finished, I save everything. And you can see that the values have been updated. I can see the difference with the previous values, and I can validate the change using the Save button this way. This will update the main inventory tab. Now I will show you how to use this batch reader. You have a little menu, you select the inventory menu, and it asks for a barcode, then you scan the barcode. The difference with the USB readers is that you can type a quantity without scanning many times. If the quantity is 1, you just have to push the OK button. This is very efficient. When you have finished, you use the escape key to go back to the menu, and I will use now the download. To do so, I need to connect to the PC. On the PC, I go to the inventory check menu. I make clear because I want to restart from a new product list. I start reading. I connect the barcode. I start reading. I can now type PC ready. The data will come here. I can modify whatever I want, and I can validate the new values using save data. Everything is green. That means the software is happy. If I go there, I can now see that the product's quantities have changed, and I want to update them definitely. I click on save, and that's done. And the best is to clear again the screen to be sure that the inventory is done, and I can come back anytime to make a partial inventory of my stock. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us at smartinventorymanager.com. Thank you very much.